to you.
Thank you. I never thought I'd be here.
Oh, we're so happy.
90
you are.
years.
90 years.
90 years young.
Yeah.
That's good.
Hey, Scott, this is like having birthday dinners
Hey, I didn't get a chocolate. I haven't had one for 2 years.
when you were kids. They'd come to our house at noon and have birthday when they were in school. And one time, I didn't have it. His birthday was on the weekend, you know.
Yeah,
Only did it because it was noon and they were in school, you know.
yeah.
And he comes along saying what he wants for his birthday. Well, thought you had your birthday at home, you know, because, well, I expect to have it at your house too.
Still wanted
No, I
to.
didn't say it
You
that way.
did. Well, not probably that way. But anyway, I didn't know that.
He wanted an Aunt Margie birthday too.
I wanted the cake.